Hello, this is Julie with SVGboxcuts.com. In this video, I'm going to give a quick demonstration how to assemble our 4-piece SVG box templates. After you cut everything out, you want to go ahead and fold along all the dotted guidelines. Then you'll want to place two-sided tape or glue along the inside half-inch tabs. Normally I use both two-sided tape and glue, but for the sake of this video I'm just going to use the two-sided tape so it goes a little quicker. We'll just line up the tab with the bottom of the large template. And then put the other ones on. Now if you happen to get your templates mixed up when you take them off the machine and you're not sure which ones go where, the straight edge goes along the top, and then these corners are cut at more of an angle where they go together, so that's how you know which side goes where. So when I flip this over, this piece is actually going to go over here, and when I went to line it up, this is overlapping instead of fitting. If I move it over here where it belongs, then the corner lines up nicely next to each other. And you can either flip it back over to put it on, or if it's easier, line it up from this angle. And then repeat with the last piece. And now is a good time, if you have a large template and you have the time, I always like to stack a paperweight on it and let it dry. That way when you're assembling the sides, the bottom stays in place and doesn't slide around on you. So after that's dry, you just want to go ahead and put your adhesive along the side tabs. Fold it up, line up the edges. And that's it. Then if you would like, we have free support panels on the website which you can resize to put inside to give it more stability. Also, if you're using different colors of pattern paper where it's one color on the outside and different on the inside, if you wanted to cover up the seams, you can use the support panels for that. We also have decorative panels that you can put on the outside, but everything should line up nice and neat for you. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact me at support@svgboxcuts.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.